Alright, so we'll get stuck into it. So what we're going to pretty much do, there's our chicken wings. So we're going to, when I mean top and tail them, we're going to take that off. We don't want those. And then we're just going to find the middle and bang. Going to make them into two pieces. So they're two flat pieces. So if you want to barbecue them, whatever you want to do, fry them, just easier because a lot of people have hassles. You got a chicken wing, you're trying to fry them or barbecue them, and you've got to keep on pressing them down and making sure they cook, where these are quite simple to do. So I'll just do one more, show you again, quite simple. And I'm not going to bore you with the rest of them because I've got 2.5 kilos. So I'll just put it on the time lapse and we'll get that going. Alright guys, so these are the simple ingredients that we're going to use. We've got a little bit of smoked paprika. It's just some pink Himalayan salt. Some normal everyday tomato sauce. I've got some smoky barbecue sauce, some hoisin sauce, and this is a favourite of mine. It's I don't know if you can see it well there, it's called Stubbs Liquid Smoke. Gives it that real good smoky flavour. So what we'll do, we'll just mix all these up in here and we'll start on that. Alright, so first we'll put a little bit of sauce, not much, 2 tablespoons, that will do. Now we'll get the smoky barbecue, same thing again, 2 tablespoons. We'll get the hoisin sauce, just a spoon of that, so about a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon, there we go, and a tablespoon of smoky paprika. And with the liquid smoke, we'll put in 3 caps. Okay, so all we've got to do now is just mix this all up. Oh, beautiful smell. So as you can see, it's probably about a cupful of marinade there. So all we'll do, we'll just clean up that spoon with a little bit of that chicken. Get that in the sink. Next, let's get our chicken into this rub. Like I said guys, that's 2.5 kilos. I don't know where you're from, but I bought them, like I said, for $5 for 2.5 kilos. It was at $1.99 a kilo. I have got them cheaper and I have got them more expensive, but hunt around when they're on special, get a few, pop them in the freezer, save some money. And that's what we're all about here, just showing people how to save money and how to do quick and easy, simple but tasty recipes at home. Oh, the smell is incredible. It's a shame we haven't got smell-o-vision, because if you could smell these things, they're unbelievable nice. So we're just about done. We've pretty much coated them. As you can see, they're pretty well coated at this stage. So all I'm going to do now is press them down a bit. We will put a bit of Glad wrap or some plastic wrapping on top of them. We'll put them in the fridge until we're ready to cook, and we'll come back. Okay, so those smoky chicken wings have been marinating for a little while now, so now we've only got our last little step before we pop them in the oven. So what we'll do is just pop a bit of flour in there. Just 1 cup of flour will do. Put that aside, and all we do now, same thing again, we'll mix them through to our mixture. That will just help give them that little bit of a crunch. Really get in there with everything. All right, so now let's just lay all these down. As quick as we possibly can. And we're probably looking at cooking these for about 40 minutes tops at about 180, 190. Depending on your oven, but yeah, 180 is it's normally 350. That's American. Okay. We're nearly there. Okay, so now that's one tray. Let me just wash my hands. Can get a little bit messy, but that's fine. Okay. Next. All right, so I've just put them in the oven, and there's our temperature, sitting on 180, 5:36, so probably not long after, say 5-10 past 6, they should be ready, nice and crispy. So we'll come back then and we'll plate up. Alright guys, so we've cooked them now for 40 minutes. We've taken them out, we've put them on a plate, they're nice and crunchy, and that's what the flour is for. They've got that nice smoky barbecue marinade on them, and yeah, so that's it. That's our chicken wings, guys. Hope you enjoy that, and we'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That would be helpful. Thanks guys.